Hey guys, welcome back for your daily crypto forecast. And today I'm going to be doing Bitcoin, BTC, USD, all time frames. I'm super busy this week, guys. I have been very busy Monday, Tuesday, and today I'm still very busy, but I'm going to finish what I'm doing today. And so tomorrow I'll be back to normal and I'll be looking at some altcoins as well. So I've seen a lot of interest on Ripple lately. A lot of people talking about it, and so I was thinking of doing Ripple for tomorrow with BTC, but I also see a lot of interest with Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash for some reason, maybe because they are the ones crashing the most, I'm not sure. So I think I will go to Twitter and do a poll, so you guys can vote there and let me know which one you prefer from these three for tomorrow's video: XRP, Ethereum, or Bitcoin Cash. I will do along with BTC USD. So with this said, let's just jump into the charts here, and I have the weekly candles here. And from this chart, what I wanted to point out is that I'm expecting a bounce at some point. We are very extended in the downside. I have been saying this, and we are overdue for a bounce. So I'm still expecting a bounce, maybe a retest of the 200 week moving average, and then bounce, but or maybe go lower before bouncing. I'm not sure. It's hard to say at this point, but I'm still expecting the 20-week moving average to be retested as a resistance, and that would mean a decent bounce here. I have been observing the 20-week moving average is the most respected moving average of all time frames, basically during bull markets and also during bear markets. So if you see here, it bounces perfectly always on the 20-week moving average. Here it went lower a little bit one time, but after respecting the moving average many times, and here again, and then of course it goes below when entering the bear market, but then it uses the same moving average as a resistance. Here it was kind of support, but then it broke, and look, after that, boom, a retest here, rejected, go down, bottom, and actually go back up and retest and reject again, and only when it goes above it and starts using it as a support again is when we are in the bull market. So, and then for the whole bull market, every decent dip was held by the 20-week moving average as well. So you see so many times here, all the way up, down, and up. So we are very extended now from the 20-week moving average, so I expect at some point to bounce and retest it and reject from there, just like it happened in the previous bear market and just like it happens during bull markets as well. On the daily, basically the same. We are very extended from the 200-day moving average, which is the main moving average for this time frame. And I was expecting the price to to bounce and go and retest the 200-day moving average. Maybe I'm not that optimistic anymore, because this is like just really weak. So maybe not as high as the 200-day moving average, maybe not even as high as retest 6,000, but somewhere around here, to at least test the 20-week moving average. If we take a look at previous bull and bear markets, the 200-day moving average is not really tested all that much. So once it went below the 200-day moving average, which is what defines a bear markets, it was tested only one time, and then once the bull market was in full force, the price never bounced as high as touching the 200-day moving average, never again, until it actually bottomed, and then it went above it. And when the price stays above it, that's what defines, one of the things that defines a bull market. So maybe the 200-day moving average will actually not be retested as a resistance. The price will never get as high as touching the 200-day moving average until we actually finish this bear market. But still, this is very extended down. So maybe maybe a retest of the previous low at 3,200, and maybe double bottom there and start bouncing. And if that one doesn't hold, then we'll start looking for lower levels. Looking at the 4-hour candles, the price here is doing absolutely nothing, just going sideways, so there's really nothing for me to say here. We need to wait to see either if this will double bottom at around 3,200 and start bouncing, and and enter a period of recovery, even if it's short-term recovery. And if the previous low does not hold at 3,200, then we'll look for lower targets. So expecting one of these two things, probably consolidate for a little bit, but at some point soon retest 3,200 and pump, or just break below 3,200 and dump. That's all for today's forecast, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.